Ever found yourself pondering what Go High Level is and how it operates? Well, you're in for a treat. Go High Level is a unique all-in-one marketing platform. It's the secret weapon for agencies, businesses, and entrepreneurs alike, looking to streamline their operations. Picture this, a platform that handles everything: customer relationship management, email marketing, and so much more, all under one virtual roof. Think of Go High Level as your one-stop marketing shop, handling everything from CRM to email marketing. So you're probably wondering, how does Go High Level do all of this? Imagine a juggler, a business owner, whose hands are full with balls named customer relations, marketing, customer interactions, and platform integration. It's a dizzying act, managing all these tasks at once. Now envision Go High Level as a super efficient robot that smoothly takes over this juggling act. Go High Level is a master at managing customer relationships. It keeps a keen eye on every customer, ensuring no one feels neglected. It's like a personal assistant that never sleeps. Now let's talk about marketing. Go High Level doesn't just juggle the marketing ball, it spins it on its finger, automating campaigns that engage and convert. When it comes to tracking customer interactions, Go High Level is like a detective, keeping tabs on every interaction, making sure no lead slips through. And as for platform integration, Go High Level is like an expert translator, seamlessly communicating between different platforms. With Go High Level, our busy business owner now has more time to focus on other aspects of their business. Let's sum up the magic of Go High Level, shall we? Imagine having a Swiss Army knife of marketing tools. That's what Go High Level offers. It consolidates everything from email marketing, CRM, to social media management into one powerhouse platform. No more juggling different tools, it's all right there, making tracking and managing your marketing efforts a breeze. In simpler terms, Go High Level is the superhero every business owner needs to simplify and supercharge their marketing efforts. By now, you're probably excited to explore the power of Go High Level for your business. But wait, it gets even better. For a limited time, Go High Level is offering a free trial just for you. Yes, you heard that right. You can unleash the potential of this marketing superhero without spending a dime. It's the perfect opportunity to get a feel for the platform and see firsthand how it can transform your marketing strategies. Visit the link provided below to start your free trial and take your marketing to the next level. Remember, it's not just about trying out a tool. It's about experiencing a revolution in your marketing efforts. So, why wait? Dive in and explore the Go High Level universe today.